I'm going to flood the house because my dad locked me out of the house that afternoon. But first I need to put duct tape on the sink drain hole. Okay. Now I did it. I'm going to turn on the sink. Now I need to go back to my room. I had to make sure everything is fine, and it's nothing.
Good morning, everyone. Wait, why we are outside?
I don't know why we are outside. Maybe it was somebody who came to our house and took all of us outside. And why do I hear water inside the house? Anyways, let's go back to our house.
But the water is in there and a lot of stuff is soaked.
Wait, I know who flooded the house. It was Splaat because last time I gave him a punishment day for doing bad things.
Oh ho 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 ho. Splaat, how dare you flooded the whole house and you made everything in the house soak. Thanks to you. And we have to dry everything in the house. And you made me drowned because you flooded the house. Now we are homeless. We have no place to live, thanks a lot. Thank gosh we survived except Nita. That's it, you are grounded until this house is clean. Go to your room right now.